Hello my dear student, now come to the parallel combination of resistors. In previous video I have explained series combination. Now you come to parallel combination of resistors. Resistors are connected parallel means what? There are 2 points. Here is the 2 points A and B at a common potential here cell V, it will supply current. So if all the resistors are connected between 2 common points, such a combination is termed as parallel combination. सभी रजिस्टर 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच ही जुड़े होने चाहिए, आपस में नहीं जुड़े होने चाहिए, 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच में जुड़े होने चाहिए. Such a combination is called as parallel combination of resistors. So let us suppose there are 3 resistors. One is connected between A and B. Other is also connected between A and B, like this. Third is also connected between A and B, like this. You go on connecting many and resistors can be connected, but they all are connected between point A and B, between fixed potential B. ऐसा नहीं कि एक के बाद एक, that is series. तो ये जो है रेजिस्टेंस नंबर 1 R1, R2, R3, ये हम लोग जोड़ते हैं. What is happening here? Current I here, ये यहाँ आकर के इसको 3 रास्ते मिल जाते हैं. There are 3 ways to flow this resistor. जिधर कम रेजिस्टेंस होगा उधर ज़्यादा करंट चला जाएगा, जिधर ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस होगा उधर कम करंट जाएगा. तो मान लेते हैं I1, I2, I3 ऐसे आया, फिर ये आकर के इस पॉइंट पे मिल गया, मिल जाने के बाद फिर यहाँ I मिल जाता है. लेकिन इसके क्रॉस, सभी के क्रॉस वोल्टेज जो है वो भी ही रहते हैं. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर? इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन नंबर 1, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस या voltages across each resistors remains same. Number 2, current flowing through all the resistors are different. सबके क्रॉस डिफरेंट होगा, दैट इज, लेकिन डिफरेंट होगा तो करंट जितना जा रहा है सबका सम उतना ही होगा. दैट इज I is the current given supplied by the cell, so it will be divided into I1, I2 plus I3, equation 1. You may take so many resistors and you so therefore you will get this equation up to n. Now as in the previous, in place of these all, if we are using here a single resistor RP, P for parallel, across the same cell, same battery, same cell, same battery, this is V, then what will happen? I current will pass through across it, and this RP single resistors connected in place of all these produces same effect in the circuit. This is called as equivalent resistor. Definition I have told you in the previous lecture of series combination, so I am not going to explain in detail. see about that. What will happen here? Using Ohm's law, we will get V is equal to IR P. You can see potential are same. Current, if the common resistor I, so you will get here I is equal to V by RP. This is equation number 2. Similarly, we can write I1 is equal to V by R1, I2 is equal to V by R2, and I3 is equal to V by R3. Substituting all these in equation 1, you will get here V by Rp is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So taking V common, it will be cancelled out. You will get 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the equivalent resistance for the combination of resistors connected in parallel. Okay, thank you.